When I start freelancing, I thought life would be perfect. I imagined working from Goa beaches, Himachal hills, laptop open, money flowing in. But reality hit hard. Freedom without discipline is just a beautiful lie. In my first 6 months, I made $0, not a single client, not even a real conversation, just silence. That's when I realized freelancing is not a lifestyle. It's a mindset shift. And if you don't get this right, you will quit before the real journey even begins. I want you to imagine a triangle. There are three sides: freedom to work, control over decisions, and stable income. Most freelancers only get one or two. But if you want this to be your real career, you need all three. And here's the truth. No one tell you in those motivational reels. Lie number one, freelancing is easy. Bro, it's not. You are not just a designer, editor, or marketer. You are one-man army. You handle clients, projects, emails, payments, outreach, everything. Lie number two, freelancing means freedom. I didn't leave my house for all years. Why? Because my income was unstable? Freedom? It felt more like stress. Lie number three, AI will do all the work. No, AI is just a tool. If your ideas are not clear, AI can't save you. You still get the basic results. Now, let me tell you 5 real lessons I wish someone had told me before I start. Lesson 1. Clients don't come from platforms. They come from outreach. Stop waiting on Fiverr and Upwork to save you. Start cold emailing, DMing, pitching your work smartly. Use tools like ChatGPT for write faster, but always personalize it. Clients can smell copy-paste. Lesson 2. Google Drive is not your portfolio. Seriously, stop sending folders. Make a clean portfolio site. Behance, Wix, Notion. Show mock projects using 3D mockups. Make it look like you're already working with big clients. Lesson 3. Treat freelancing like a business. Create contracts. Sending invoice. Take 25% advance always. Whether it's $100 or $10,000, same system. Lesson 4. Learn complementary skill. It's not just about editing or designing. You must know how to take sales calls, write proposals, negotiate, and handle feedback. That's what separates hobbyists from professionals. Lesson 5. Personal brand is everything. Post your work regularly. Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn. Just show up. Clients come to people they see. If you are invisible, you are forgettable. And my final advice, don't blindly jump into freelancing like I did. If you are in college or doing a job, start freelancing as your side hustle or consistent income from at least 6 months. Build an emergency fund, then think about full time. Because yes, freelancing is rewarding, but it's also unpredictable. If you apply these 5 lessons, you are already ahead of 50% of freelancers. And if you want video where I show which AI tools I use daily for my freelance and content creation, drop a single comment. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and remember, for stay tuned, stay freelancing.